Laptop. This is it displaying the Solar Car Tracker website sponsored by PyTop. This is a website that you can go to on your phone or you can go to on the PyTop because guess what? It's a real laptop. This number 2 right here is showing a live location that one of the teams, that's Tom, is right here. At the, but here we go. He's
beautiful pink little tablet.
He is right here. Now, if this isn't exciting, you can also play Minecraft. That was task number 1 for me when I got it. Now, there are 2 other examples I want to show you. We just had Jarrett talk about telemetry and data collection. Chris, can I ask you to pan over here? Now, this is a really fancy program that Jarrett set up to display voltage tracking. You can see that we're bringing in voltage, auxiliary voltage. We're measuring current in amp hours. He's built a really nice display. Now, one of the cool things that Jarrett did with it, one of the presenters earlier today mentioned that PyTop has a low floor and a high ceiling. You can do a lot of stuff with PyTop, and this is Jarrett doing a lot of stuff with the PyTop in a Cracker Barrel cup. He has built his own power supply that generates power. He's monitoring it. He's transmitting it wirelessly. The world is your oyster when it comes to PyTop, and this is demonstrating one of the more complex uses of it. Chris, can I ask you to come over here? This is, I am caught between, there we go. This is an example that I built using exclusively out-of-the-box components. Right here, we've got a circuit board. It uses, oh wow, that's an LED. You can buy those at Walmart. And here's a photoresistor. You could buy those at Radio Shack before they went out of business. Look, that right there, that's a resistor that you can get on Amazon or Mouser or Wires. These are real components that all of this comes with the box. And then up here is code. PyTop walks you through how to interface with a button. So you push a button and something happens. You push a button and a light turns on. You plug something into the analog to digital converter and it actually takes the measurements. And using all of the code that it comes with, you can build this circuit and this code and monitor your wheel as it rotates around, converting that into distance, that into speed, so now you know how fast you're going, and you as students can do this in an afternoon using nothing more than what PyTop is already giving you. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can branch outside of that. You can go and buy a GPS chip and you can integrate that in. You can convert your data on your PyTop and send it wirelessly to somewhere else. You can build a fancy visualization so that you can watch your speed go up and down and up and down. You can grab the thermometer that comes in the box and you can measure the temperature over here, maybe in the driver compartment. And you can say, oh, when the temperature gets too high, then I'm going to turn on a fan that you buy at the store, and I'm going to turn a fan on and I'm going to cool the driver down, right? Total out-of-pocket expense for something like that is like $5, depending on how expensive your fan is. Because it comes with a thermometer, it comes with code, it comes with wires and resistors and on-off switches, so on and so forth. I'd like to invite y'all up here to look at the laptops, but I'm not going to because we're a little short on time. I am going to invite you to come up when when our evening is over. I'm going to be around. PyTop people are going to stick around. My lovely assistant, Tom, is going to be around to help answer some of